Hey guys, how are you all doing out there? Hope everyone is alright. I'm back with another unboxing, and because I'm still catching up on last month's unboxings, this actually came in August. However, this box is a quarterly box, so if you order it now, you'll still get the same one, I believe. This is the Artemis Xena box, and this is the second one I've had. I wasn't actually going to have this one, but it ended up that I paid for it and they sent it to me anyway, so fine. It's here. I'm going to open it because why not? You might still want to know what's inside. It's a sort of wellness box, I suppose is the best way to describe it. And from the last box, I would say it's more aimed at teenagers, teenage girls probably, but teenagers. The last box had some beauty items in, but also had quite a lot of mental well-being items, an organizer, things like that. I've got no idea what's in this one, so shall we find out? Before we do that, it would be great if you could give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, you can ring the notification bell, and when you're done, share the heck out of this. Alright, let's get into the video. So I believe this is about $19.95 or something. I think that's the offer I got it on to get it quarterly. It has various prices. Let's open it up. It's a bit big. What's that? Let's take that. Okay. Let's just get involved. Right, what is this? Artemis Xena 8th edition. They've got a new reward system. You gain credits for activities such as buying things, sharing photos of your box on social media and leaving reviews. You can swap credits for items that can be added to your next box, or you can save them up. Okay. It says a mindfulness practice. Mindfulness is paying attention on purpose in the present moment and non-judgmentally to the unfolding of experience moment to moment. John Kabat-Zinn. Mindfulness is so hard. I've tried to do it before. I get so easily distracted. If you just try and sit and just concentrate on your breathing and don't let your mind wander. Practice trying to do that. It is hard. Being present in the moment using sound. Okay, so it's got a whole example of how you can be mindful. I'm not going to read it all. And then it's got what's in the box. And this is part of it. So it's got here, wants you to write down activities that make you happy and how good it makes you feel. This pamphlet bit and a mood tracker. So you can put different colours on the month to show how your mood's been. I guess so you can just keep an eye on yourself. So that is good. Like I say, it is about wellness and mental well-being. So it's good to think about things like this. Might see if I can get my husband into it or not. We will find out. Right, what is this? Hope. The bigger the storm, the brighter the rainbow. This smells nice. Oh, this smells really nice. I wonder if this is the kind of thing you can put in your drawer. What is it? 40 luxury incense cones with ceramic holder. Okay, you fit a cone into incense ash catcher. Light the tip of the coated end until it glows. Once the tip is glowing, blow out the flame. Oh, is that the ash catcher? What is that? It's a ceramic holder, it says. Well, I suppose it's got a circle on the front, and I guess if the cones fit into it. I'm not that big a fan of incense, but to be honest, this smells really nice. I am kind of tempted to put it in some drawers though. You know, like, it's so old-fashioned, isn't it? Or is it? Or is it? Maybe they did it for a reason. You know when you put like a little bag of scent in your underwear or drawer or something to make everything smell nice? That's what is calling to me with these. But yeah, that's quite nice actually. Definitely looks like a full-size item, and it's worth $1.99. Okay, we've got a little, it's a magnet that says follow your heart. It's ethically sourced as well, from the same company as before, Jones Home and Gift. And that's $1.99 as well. What's this? Lovely little compact mirror by Rachel Ellen. That is the outside packaging. Let's have a look. very nicely presented. This is £6.50 and it's definitely very solid. It's a nice box. It's so simple. You just push this little thing and it opens the mirror. But if you're a bit slow like me, that's what will happen. So yeah, I actually am going to put this in my handbag. It's not the first design that I go for, but I do like the fact that it's an enclosed mirror. All the ones I have in my, I say handbag, my backpack, at the moment are open mirrors and they've been cracked. I know, bad luck if you say so. So I'm looking forward to using that actually. Handy for me. Okay, what is this? Loyalty card. Okay. You get a sticker for every order over £5. Get 6 and you get a free gift. Thank you. What is this? A notebook. This is just from here, a lined notebook. And this is worth, yeah, it's just a lined notebook worth £6.99. Yeah, that's actually alright. That's quite nice. I'm sure I can find a use for this. Oh wow, what is this? The Happy News. Never heard of this. What is it? I'm just reading the information down here. The Happy Newspaper celebrates all that's good in the world, a platform to share positive news and wonderful people. We are often flooded with negative news, but this newspaper offers something different. It's uplifting and lets us view the good things that we often do not hear about. Our favourite page is page 7, which shares tips on what to do when you're feeling overwhelmed. Oh, well that is pretty good. So it says Britain's first ever double hand transplant writes a letter thanking the surgeon. That is very cool. Villagers knit jumpers to keep elephants warm. Boy who wore Lionel Messi plastic bag shirt finally meets his hero. Because he made a plastic shirt out of a carrier bag. So he could be like his hero because he obviously couldn't afford a shirt. Fastest 105-year-old on 2 wheels sets a world record. Bra hanging out, how attractive. It says, in a world full of uncertainty and fear, a world where we seem to see more evil than cheer, I wish I knew the right thing to say to make things better and take the pain away. The only way I know how is to respond is through love and kindness. It's an unbreakable bond. Hug harder, love more, peace and not war. By Emily Coxhead. So I might actually suggest this to the mental health team that my husband uses, because it might be useful for some people to read a whole thing about happy news rather than miserable news, because I know that it really does affect my husband. It makes him really sad and feel really unwell and stressed actually listening to the news and papers and stuff. So this might even be useful. So great, she says, tossing it aside. This is a good idea though. Oh, this looks fun. Sunshine and Bloom colouring book for grown-ups. 12 intricate designs by Rachel Ellen. I think this is the one that made the mirror. Oh, colouring is super fun. Put your feet up and relax while you enjoy colouring in this collection of 12 intricate and detailed illustrations. Each hand-drawn design has been inspired by nature, from pretty florals to gorgeous peacocks and colourful characters. So we've got all kinds of things. And do you know what the best thing about colouring actually is? I saw this written somewhere that when you're a kid, you do whatever, don't you? You have pink elephants or you have blue grass or whatever, because it doesn't matter, because you just think, I'll put whatever colour I want. But when you're an adult, you tend to colour things as you see them, like, you know, red tulips or red roses or, I don't know, green grass, blue sky. But actually, you can go wild. And with things like this, maybe you would make the bird all different colours. Maybe the teacup would be whatever, you know. I don't know, I like colouring, so I'm happy with that. Oh, let me just see the prices for those two things. So the colouring book is £2.99 and the, where is that? The newspaper is £3.99. And we just got like a little note card here. Always useful when you want to say thank you to somebody. This is £3.05, so not cheap for a tiny card. Right, this is September monthly planner, and we are still at the beginning of September, so that is good. And it's got monthly focus, dates to remember, notes and goals. It's got October as well, and a weekly planner. So you can plan your life if you want. That is nice. Owls and Birds weekly planner sheet. This is £7.99. Huh? Maybe the whole thing $7.99. Oh, the full-size desk planner with 52 sheets and 2 packs of stickers is $7.99. Obviously, this is not $7.99. Whoa, I was like, what? $7.99 for 1 sheet of paper? Are you joking me? That would be crazy. I think actually that means that card is not £3.05. It must be for a pack because it's got a little star by it as well. That makes more sense as well. Okay. Yes, better. Better. I was thinking, this is crazy. This is totally crazy. Okay, what was the big thing at the beginning? Was this, which is, what is it? Well, let's open it and find out, shall we? Is it some kind of giant makeup bag? What is it? Oh, look. It's a little handbag, also by Rachel Ellen Designs. And it says, "You are my sunshine, to the moon and back." Huh, so it's just a little bag. Like, this isn't personally my thing, but I think my niece is going to go nuts over this. She will love it. I think Merry Christmas to my niece. Is that a terrible thing to do? No. That is called recycling. And that is good. That is a good thing to do. So this bag is $9.99. This cheerful PVC coated cotton handbag is packed with lovely features, including a zip pocket on the front, lined inside with a mesh pocket and an adjustable shoulder strap, which is approximately 150 centimeters in length when fully extended. Sorry about the beeps. Right, so this bag, this cheerful PVC coated cotton handbag is packed with lovely features, including a zip pocket on the front, as here, lined inside with a mesh pocket and an adjustable shoulder strap, which is approximately 150 centimeters in length when fully extended. It's waterproof too, so perfect for on the go during any weather. So yeah, that is nice. It's nice quality. It's well made. Yeah, not exactly my cup of tea, but I think my niece will love it, like I said. So I'm happy. And let me just quickly add this up. This whole box of goodies is worth about £44, so that is more than double the cost of the box, and you know that's my benchmark, so I'm very happy. As for usability, I still think that it is aimed at the younger person, but I do like that it is looking after your mental well-being, and it's introduced me to some new things like this magazine, well, this newspaper, Happy News newspaper, which I think is great. This colouring book I'm definitely looking forward to using, and the mirror I'm going to keep for myself. I've got gifts, oh, and these, definitely going to use these. So yeah, actually I'm going to use 90% of what's in here, just really the bag that I'm going to give away. Everything else I'm going to use for myself or for my husband. So this is a good box this month. I like it. I do think that there are people out there who could appreciate it from the mental well-being point of view and from the goodies point of view. It's always good to reflect on ourselves and to try and be happy. I think kids these days, I say kids because, you know, I'm in my 30s now, so they're super young to me. But young people these days face a lot of stresses, and it would be good for them to find healthy ways to talk and make sure that they are coping with the world. Anyway, that's my 5 pence on the subject. So tell me down below what you thought of this box. Would you get it for someone you know or for yourself maybe? Do you think it's good value for money? That is the big question. I actually do this month. I think this is a good one. Or this quarter, I should say, because it's quarterly. This quarter, I think it's good. But thank you so much for watching this video. And again, I apologise for the shine, just how I've got things set up at the moment. I'm just going to look like this the whole time, really, shiny and everything, because I can't get the lighting right in the hallway. It's not happening. Back very soon with another unboxing for you. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.